Architecture is not just about structure, it's about stories. Every civilization, from the prehistoric builders of Stonehenge to the architects of the pyramids, the Parthenon of Greece, the Gothic cathedral of Europe, and the magnificent temples and mosques of India, has left behind lesson in design. And for us, as gay 2026 aspirants, these lessons are more than history. They are marks waiting to be scored. So why this part matters? Because history and contemporary architecture is one of the most scoring section of GATE AR syllabus. Questions are mostly fact-based, identification-based, or match the following, which means if you know your timeline, your architects, and your style, these are easy marks, and that can be difference between just qualifying and getting into your dream college like IIT Roorkee, IIT Kharagpur, or SPA Delhi. What you will learn, like in my complete course at Safal Together, we'll cover the entire history in a structured way. First, we'll start with Western chap. There will be three chapters: Western History of Architecture, Chapter 2, Indian History of Architecture, Chapter 3 includes Modernism and Contemporary Style. In Western History of Architecture, we'll be dealing with prehistoric architecture, Mesopotamian architecture, Egyptian architecture, Greek architecture, Etruscan, Roman, early Christian, Byzantine, Romanesque, Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque, and Rococo. Like this, we'll be following all the others chapters, including Indian architects, modern and contemporary movements, work of an architect like Le Corbusier, Frank Lloyd Wright, Louis Kahn, Charles Correa, B.V. Doshi, and many more. Every topic is explained with diagram, timeline, and context so that you understand and not just memorize. Here, how I will help you to prepare by visual slides with building and architects to help the identification question, short notes and mind maps to revise quickly before exam, previous year question discussion to understand what gate repeats, practice quizzes after every topic to check your recall. And the best part, at Safal Together Warrior Batch, you don't just learn from me. You learn from top ranker of GATE AR who are now in IITs or SPA alumni. You will get live classes plus recording, notes plus practice sheet, mock test plus one-on-one doubt clearance, and direct mentorship from IITians and SPA alumni. This is exactly the kind of structure support you need to crack GATE AR with top rank. So, if you're serious about your GATE 2026 architecture and planning preparation and you want to master subjects like history, construction, planning, and more, join me at Safal Together. This is your chance to study with mentor who have already done it and can guide you step by step. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GATE AR updates. Thank you.